Hello, everyone. Today we continue with the topic of enums. Enums, short for enumerations, allow you to define a set of named constants. This makes your code more readable and easier to manage, especially when working with fixed sets of values. Let's begin with basic enum declaration. To create an enum in TypeScript, we use the enum keyword. Here we've named it seasons, and it contains 4 values: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. It's a simple way to group related constants together. Let's log one of the enum values to the console, seasons.summer. As you know, we compile the code by running npxtsc in the terminal, and the result we get is 1. That's because, by default, TypeScript assigns numeric values starting from 0. Now we're creating a variable with the value seasons winter. If we want to explicitly define its type, we set the type to seasons. Let's go back to the console and check the result. As you might expect, we get 3, because winter is the 4th item starting from 0. Now we are creating a new enum. Status codes. Success 200, created 201, accepted 202. Bad request 400, not found 44. Internal server, error 500. Now let's print a few of them to the console. We compile the code again and check the result. As you can see, we got the values defined inside our enum. So, if we don't assign any values manually, TypeScript automatically numbers them starting from 0. But if we do provide specific values, those values are used instead. Now let's try to add a property that doesn't exist in the enum. As you can see, we get an error saying that does not exist. So we can't add new properties to an enum after it's defined. Next, let's try changing the value of an existing property. Again, we get an error here too. Once an enum is defined, we cannot modify its values at runtime because it's a read-only structure. Let's comment out these lines of code and write a short note to explain what's going on. TypeScript treats enums as constants during compilation, and their values cannot be modified at runtime. Now let's see how to create an enum with string values. We're defining a new enum called days of week, and inside it, we list the days of the week like this. Let's print out Monday and Saturday in the console to check if everything works as expected. Let's compile the code again and check the result in the console. As expected, the console shows the values for Monday and Saturday from our enum. We're coming to the end of the lesson. To sum up, enums are used to define a set of named constants that make the code more readable and expressive. Instead of using hard-coded values like numbers or strings, you can use enums to give those values meaningful names. Enums help prevent errors caused by using invalid values and improve code maintainability. They are especially useful when working with predefined options like user roles, directions, or status codes. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Take care and have a great day.